There may be a few people around who haven't heard about the many health conditions that have been associated with electromagnetic field (EMF) radiation. The fact that you're watching this video indicates that you aren't one of them. One of the most pervasive forms of EMF is the radiation emitted from cell phones. Nearly everyone carries one these days, so cell phone radiation is becoming a major public health concern. Cell phone radiation and why it's harmful. Cell phone radiation is a form of electromagnetic field (EMF) radiation. It is especially hazardous to humans because it comes at us from all directions. We are surrounded by cell phone towers and by cell phones being used nearly everywhere we go. We even carry them on our bodies. In November 2018, the Federal Department of Health and Human Services National Toxicology Program announced the results of a study that concluded that there was clear evidence that cell phone radiation 2G and 3G in the study caused DNA damage and cancer in mice. Cell phone radiation has also been associated with breast cancer, sperm damage and male infertility, and even gliomas, the deadliest of brain tumors. What to look for? There are a lot of trendy products out there that claim to offer EMF protection for cell phones and other electronics. Unfortunately, the average user has no way to judge how effective they are. Look for brands that show evidence on their websites that the products have been independently lab tested. EMF-reducing cell phone case options. All of the cases listed in this video, with the exception of the RadiArmor phone sleeve, are wallet cases with credit card slots. These cases also provide radio frequency identification (RFID) protection, which prevents credit card hacking in public spaces. All cases except the RadiArmor sleeve have kickstand functionality. DefenderShield EMF radiation case. This is the priciest model on the list, but it is extensively lab tested and FCC certified. This company has done its research. The manufacturer says it blocks virtually 100% of EMF. Priced around $69, it's a classic example of you get what you pay for. Safe sleeve. This case offers 99% protection from EMF, according to the manufacturer. Sanxir anti-radiation case. The manufacturer says this case uses double-shielded technology that blocks 98% of EMF radiation. Wave wall. The manufacturer says this case blocks 87% of EMF. This model stands out because it comes in a vertical flip version for $49.99 and the more familiar horizontal flip version for $44.99. RadiArmor anti-radiation case. This case appears to be available only for iPhones at the time of the making of this video. The manufacturer says it blocks 99% of EMF radiation. RadiArmor phone sleeve. This is a different type of protective case. It's actually a neoprene sleeve that you slip your phone into and wear as a holster on a belt. It has a Velcro closure, and one size fits most phones. The manufacturer says it uses a proprietary metallic fabric and blocks between 91% and 99% of EMF radiation. Although researchers are continuing to study the harmful effects of cell phone radiation, it's becoming increasingly clear that EMF protection makes sense. Reducing the harmful radiation from our cell phones is one of the most effective and easy things we can do to minimize the risks associated with EMF exposure. For more EMF protection tips, go to emfprotectiontips.com.